Hi, I'm Leslie Walker for Q's Fleet News. Thanks for joining me. A major restructuring for one of the world's biggest tire manufacturers, Michelin, which announced plans to close two plants in France. The closure, set to be completed by 2026, could impact around 1,250 employees and mark another blow to Europe's struggling auto industry. Michelin's decision comes as the company faces mounting pressures, from rising energy costs here in Europe to growing competition from cheaper Asian imports. As production costs skyrocket and price-conscious consumers seek budget alternatives, Michelin has been forced to make tough choices to stay competitive. According to the company, these closures are necessary to adapt to current market conditions. Talks are already underway with unions and local officials, aiming to support the affected workers through this transition. This announcement follows Michelin's similar moves in Germany, where the company is gradually shutting down its Karlsruhe and Trier plants, affecting an additional 1,500 jobs. Michelin CEO Maria Rocker says the European market has become increasingly difficult, with the company facing a perfect storm of high production costs, declining demand, and stiff global competition. And despite Michelin's efforts to improve quality, from longer-lasting tread to advanced rubber compounds, they have struggled to maintain market share against budget alternatives flooding the market. Now, the news has triggered concerns from labor groups and local communities, who are calling for comprehensive support for those impacted. Protests are already planned as workers and families prepare to confront this unexpected disruption to their livelihoods. Industry analysts say these closures reflect a broader shift across Europe's automotive sector as companies brace for a future that's looking increasingly competitive and costly. We'll continue to monitor this story and bring you updates as Michelin's plans unfold. I'm Leslie Walker, and stay tuned to Q's Fleet News for more developments in the world of automotive innovation. Till next time, bye for now.